Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is like another devlog of data structure fundamentals 1 and like in this update like what we did was solve the different problems on arrays, and there were mainly two main problems. Word search problem, like where you have to search if the word is present in the 2D array or not, and then second one is subset where you have to like show all the subset of a possible subset of an sorry, array, and then there was like few different other problems, like where you have to find the missing elements, then uh, number of occurrences of a particular number, or like like the number that repeated itself inside an array, then the smallest positive number that is missing from the array. So those kind of problems, and uh, here is the code for the last one. And this code shows the smallest missing positive number. Okay. Uh, so let me run it, and number is 5. Okay, then 2, 6, 1, uh, 5, and 8. So as you say, 1, 2, 3, it should be in sequence, but 3 is missing. So smallest positive missing number is 3. So it works like that. Uh, I guess this is it. Thank you.